BTS's SUGA, Girls' Generation's Taeyeon, and Red Velvet's Seulgi have joined efforts to support wildfire recovery. On March 27, the Korean Red Cross, Chairman Kim Chol-soo, announced, SUGA has donated 100 million Korean won, $68,358 United States dollars, to aid wildfire victims. The funds will be used to provide food, beverages, and essential supplies for affected residents. Taeyeon also contributed 100 million Korean won to the relief efforts. She expressed her support, saying, "I hope this donation can bring even a little strength to the displaced residents, firefighters, and relief workers going through such a difficult time." Seulgi likewise extended a helping hand with a donation of 100 million Korean won. She shared, "It breaks my heart to see victims struggling with the loss of their homes and livelihoods due to the unexpected wildfires." She further emphasized her commitment to supporting disaster relief, adding, "Though it may be a small gesture, I decided to donate with the hope that it can be of some help." The wildfire first broke out on March 21 in Sancheong, Jeonnam, and quickly spread to nearby areas, including Jongbuk and Ulsan, due to strong winds and dry conditions. Firefighting efforts have been ongoing for a week. According to the Central Disaster and Safety Countermeasures Headquarters, as of 6 a.m., the disaster has resulted in 26 deaths, 8 serious injuries, and 22 minor injuries. The number of displaced residents has risen to 37,185. See also, BTS unveils preview poster for 7 Moments.